A common problem in Antarctica is extreme weather blowing away your tent.
We gotta cut snow blocks to secure the tents from wind.
So we're gonna use these ice blocks to build a wall and keep our camp safe.
We need to build the wall faster!
Now that the ice wall is finished, hopefully the wind won't blow away our tent.
The hard part about Antarctica is the sun never goes down, so you don't know when it's night or not.
My tummy tells me.
What time does your tummy say this?
Dinner.
Welcome home, honey.
Whoa, it's ready for you.
And for dinner, we have MREs.
Jimmy, this is awful.
Welcome to Antarctica.
In case you're wondering how you eat food in the most remote place on the planet, first you boil water, then you